Live, the morning show from CBS Local 2.
Well, welcome back. We are joined again by Dr. Timothy Joshin, a local dermatologist, and he's here to talk to us about the do's and don'ts when it comes to face washes. And Dr. Joshin, I just want to ask you right away, because the seasons have already started to feel different for us. And once we get into the cooler temperatures, do we need to start switching up our products?
Well, you know, it really depends on your skin type. And we all know about oily, dry, or combination skin, but you really need to think about other things. Do you have sensitive skin, rough skin, pigmented skin, oily skin, acne-prone skin? So you really want to kind of tailor it to your skin type.
Well, what if your type changes with the seasons? I mean, you know, during the summer months, you may have like the T-zone, but then during the winter months, you're really dry. How do you keep up?
Well, what you do is you want to start to learn to identify ingredients in your products. And it's really important because a lot of people don't understand how important the skin is. It's our barrier to the outside world. It protects us from pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and funguses from getting into our skin. So we want to start to learn to read labels so you can tailor it for summer or winter. So I think it's really key. And you want to be able to read your bottles like you do your food ingredients. You know, you want to minimize the number of ingredients. You want to look for things that are going to irritate your skin.
Well, you say that, doctor, but
Yes.
How do you tell them apart? I mean, you get these long chemical names on there, and it's just like reading your foods. You try to avoid those with those long chemical names because you think you're putting something that's not good on your face.
Oh, exactly. So what you want to do is just learn some basics. You know, learn to avoid things like parabens, fragrances, harsh detergents. A lot of people like to get those fragranted antibacterial cleansers, and those can actually irritate and dry out your skin. And so just look for minimal ingredients and avoid those things.
Okay, so do you have suggestions then that would, well, I guess another question though before you suggest ideas, but water temperature, does that make a difference as well?
Absolutely. So, you know, what we're trying to do when we cleanse our skin is actually remove excess oil and dirt. And the key is excess oil, because oil in our skin actually helps to protect our skin. So you want to be really gentle when you're cleansing your skin. You don't want to aggressively scrub your skin. And so use warm water as opposed to hot water. Pat your skin dry. Don't scrub your skin with a washcloth. Consider using a Clarisonic brush, which will gently exfoliate the skin. And also apply a moisturizer after you're done patting your skin dry, because this will actually help to seal in the moisture in your skin.
And now, what are some products that we should be looking for, or not chemicals, but additives, whatever you want to call it?
Sure, some ingredients.
Ingredients, thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Well, I like to use the acronym GB pairs, and things like growth factors help to stimulate collagen, bleaching agents if you have pigmentation irregularities, peptides can help to stimulate some collagen, exfoliants are helpful if you have dry skin, antioxidants help to quench free radicals, which damage our skin, and retinoids are really always my favorite because they stimulate collagen and also help to exfoliate the skin and keep our skin functioning normally.
So to recap, we need to look at the ingredients that are on the package, use tepid water, not extremely warm water, and always moisturize.
Exactly. And I'll have a list of those ingredients on Facebook today if you want to check that out.
All right. Well, then we will provide a link for that as well, if you will, with us, Doctor, and we'll get it all hooked up so people can see. And we thank you again, Dr. Timothy Joshin, for coming in today.
Thank you very much.